kill switch to off position and switch off the ignition key. Use 5mm Allen key to remove two numbers M6 into 1 into 15 side panel left hand assembly mounting bolts. Use Phillips screwdriver to remove 3 numbers M6 into 1 air filter cover mounting screws. Carefully remove air filter element from the air filter cover. Use mild air pressure to clean the air filter element. Ensure to clean from filtered surface to unfiltered surface and top to bottom. Assemble the air filter element to the air filter cover. Air filter change period, every 10,000 kilometers or 12 months, or replace more frequently if operated in dusty condition. Use Phillips screwdriver to tighten 3 numbers M6 into 1 air filter cover mounting screws. Carefully locate and assemble left-hand side panel to frame. Use 5mm Allen key to tighten 2 numbers M6 into 1 into 15 side panel left hand assembly mounting bolts.